This problem may seem backwards. All right. This x is defined as x squared minus 1. So this is what you substitute into here. So that will be x plus 1 squared. That's the x, and then minus 1. And then bring down this minus sign. And then this, we know what this is. It's x squared minus 1. So square out x plus 1 times x plus 1. That will give you x squared plus 2x plus 1. Bring down the minus 1. Distribute the minus sign. And let's see what's left over. Those fall out. And these 1's cancel out. I'm left with 2x plus 1. And that's the answer.